Hello, how is everyone? I have to go to work tonight, graveyard, and I told my wife Lucy that we'd like to go for a walk. So we look everywhere, and right here is desolated, and we are behind the aquarium in Newport, Oregon. It's a trail right here. It's going to go to a little shack. This right here behind me is a bird sanctuary right here. Some parts of the year you see thousands of birds right here. I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna eat a few blackberries right here. They don't spray the blackberries right here, so you can eat them. I'm with my wife Lucy. We are gonna go to the shack, take a little bite of cheese and coffee, and we're gonna see what we can see around. Birds, the ocean, and enjoy the walk. Let me turn around. Sometimes you come right here, and the water right here is thousands of birds. It's a migration. They show up right here and cover that water. It's just a few birds over there. And that's Newport Aquarium from the back side. We're gonna keep walking. Lucy's waiting for me. She said she's ready for a coffee. And I'm gonna try these blackberries right here. ¿Tan buenas?
Están dulces.
¿Ah?
Están dulces.
¿Tan dulces?
Sí.
¿Tan ricas?
Están deliciosas.
Vamos a seguir.
Muy dulces.
We gotta keep going. But we love blackberries. Oh yeah. Look at this one right here. This one. Let's go, Vamos, mi amor. Vente. I'm waiting for Lucy. She's back there. Look, she's in the middle of the blackberries back there. Uh-oh. Huh? Están bien buenas, ¿verdad? Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Mira la mano. I'm not sure. What is this? It's beautiful. Look at right here. We're gonna keep going. We're supposed to keep walking. Lucy is in love with the blackberries. Yeah, we were sick down at home, getting ready for another graveyard for me. I got 2 extra days of graveyards. But I had to figure out how to convince Lucy to stop eating blackberries. You know, I always blame her. That's where we're going pretty soon. We're gonna keep going to a little shack, make a little bit of coffee, and I can see the filtration for the water. It's some type of system to maintain some water quality for the aquarium, for all the fish and all the creatures they have right there. Yeah, it's not a lot of birds. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it's a group of birds right there. There are not that many. Because it's a protection for so many birds on this area. That's the only difference. There are no allowed dogs right here. That's why we didn't bring Cookie. We just walk in the neighborhood, Cookie. And it was raining this morning. I put this umbrella in my car, but I didn't have to bring it. It stopped raining. It's a little foggy. Yeah. This is called South Beach Newport, Oregon. Some type of piers right here. The Marine Science Center is over there, OSSU, new building right there. And you can see Jaquina Bridge way over there. Beautiful. Uh-oh, she just walked through the blackberries and she got thorns all over her legs. Thorns. It's a beautiful trail. Oh, no. When we come back, we pick more blackberries. Yeah. Yep. I can tell you, Lucy is way behind ready. She keep eating blackberries. Wow, it's a lot of birds right here. Yeah, when you come to South Beach right here, you can go to the piers, the Rogue. You can go where the boat launch, Marine Science Centers, all these trails, everything connect right here. You don't need a vehicle to get there. If you feel with a lot of energy that day to walk and relax, if the weather permit, oh my God, this is so difficult. This is difficult. How I can keep going? It's hard not to put these sweet, beautiful blackberries in the mouth. Oh my goodness, look at that hornet's nest. They're coming out. They're coming out. You want to have it careful. Oh yeah. Yeah. Wow. Lucy taking the picture. I'm gonna show you, I know this is ridiculous, but I'm gonna show you how amazing it is when everything is organic, fresh. Looky the amount of blackberries hanging through here. Oh yeah. We are gonna keep going. Yep, look where she is. She cannot pass them. My wife loves blackberries. I love to be able to walk, enjoy life. Oh yeah. We are gonna keep going. Oh yeah. It's a little windy. It's not that cold at all. It's a lot of seagulls, not a lot of other birds. I believe we are getting pretty close to the shack. We're gonna sit down, make a coffee, unless this pack a bunch of people sit down right there. But I doubt it. Yeah. Beautiful trail. Well, we're gonna find out. Oh yeah, it's a little shack. It's pretty sad. Hopefully it's not a lot of garbage. The last time we had to clean it, but we had to be positive. Oh yeah, there's a little shack right here. Look at this. Oh yeah. I'm waiting for Lucy. And look at the view. Yeah. Well, we just got right here. Enjoy. We're gonna make some coffee. Lucy buys some pastry in the market. She know I cannot eat them, but she is gonna eat them. Little cup. The coffee today is from Guatemala. I roast a little bit of coffee from Guatemala. It's supposed to be fruity. And it's dark roast. We're gonna find out. We're gonna put some water. Enjoy. Dame la copa para medir. We're gonna put one. It's beautiful right here. It's just amazing view. I mean, it's just the view is incredible. ¿Sabes cómo poner en la otra parte? Vamos, te voy a enseñar. Le abres aquí así. Le abres aquí así. Y esta parte la abres. Mira a ver si puedes. Dale, trata.
¿La pongo arriba?
No, tienes que ponerla, la vas a meter aquí así. Espérate. Aquí así. Y las dos tienen. Y si es bien chiquito, lo pones así. Entonces le abres aquí. ¿Ya la pusiste? Entonces, déjame echar el café. No, no la prendas todavía, pero para prenderla tienes que abrirla aquí, ¿ves? ¿Sí? Okay. I was showing Lucy how to work with that stove. It's a little tricky, but I'm gonna put the coffee right here. There you go. Let me show you. No, mi amor, no. No, that's not. We are putting the coffee. We are ready. We're gonna figure out a coffee from Guatemala. I have a collection of coffees. I like to try all coffees. This one is a dark roast. I think that's enough for both of us. Anyway, we are going to here's our view from this little shack. Look at this. Beautiful. You can see the birds. Oh yeah. Well, it's time to serve the coffee. Oh yeah, we're gonna find out. Oh, look at the color and the smell. Oh my goodness. We're gonna put the creamer. Pon la crema, mi amor. One. Dos. Y tres. Well, we're gonna try the coffee. Let's cheers. We're gonna try this coffee. It's getting cold, windy. We are looking at the birds, a beautiful view. It's an old rustic little shack with a little picnic table. It cannot be better. It's perfect for me. We even have flowers around. And actually, very strong coffee, beautiful flavor, very bold. Look at it. Oh yeah. I think it's too hot. Lucy doesn't like that hot of a coffee. I'm the opposite. It has to be hot. Yeah. This little percolator right here is actually do the job. I got like 50 ways to make coffee. But if you're gonna be on a picnic table or in a comfortable position, it worked perfect. And you cannot go wrong. You can put a little bit too much or too little, you can fix it up. But anyway. Coffee from Guatemala. Awesome. Uh-oh. What we got over here, Lucy? Oh, she got an apricot scone with ginger. It's actually really good. I'm not supposed to eat carbohydrate that much, it's sweet. What? Oh yeah, she have to have it with the coffee. Let me try a piece. Uh-oh, I'm gonna break the diet. Wow. Let me put it down with coffee. Oh. Mmm. Delicious. It's a little windy. I had to put a thing on the camera so you can hear my voice, but I believe it's gonna be raining pretty soon. Well, it started raining a little bit. We are going back to the car before something happens. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, the wind is picking up. Whew, it's getting cold, wet. But after a warm coffee, it's not that bad. We are gonna go home and we are doing the best we can with what they offer. Even in a foggy day and rainy, it's beautiful around here. Well, we are gonna go straight to the car. It started raining. And I found the English word for this area. This is an estuary. Very famous. If you come in the spring right here, those waters right here will be covered, look like a carpet full of birds.